So here we have the Volvo XC90 on an 11 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But from the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. Let's start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of it from there. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have the tow bar. Plenty of room in the boot as well. Currently all 7 seats are in place, so this is the amount of room you have as a 7-seater. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see it's in excellent condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think as well we're seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that right now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the coolant temperature gauge. We have the speedometer next to that, then the rev counter, and the fuel gauge over on the right-hand side. You can see within the speedometer the total miles for the car, which is 63,698. If we back out to the steering wheel, we have stereo controls and phone controls on the right-hand side, and then cruise control over on the left-hand side. The main screen for the car is just here and will close down when you turn the ignition off. And the stereo itself is below that. So this is where you'll select, for example, the different ways in which you can listen to music. So you want to listen to the radio. So you have AM and FM radio, as you can see. You can listen to your own music via the CD player, but also via the auxiliary input that you saw up on the screen a moment ago. You also got the ability to pair up a phone to the car. You can turn the whole system on and off from up here. And working our way down, we've got dual zone climate control. So you can adjust the passenger and driver temperature. You can determine where within the car you'd like the air to be distributed. Once you're happy with those signs, you can turn the air conditioning on or off from this button. So it's on at the moment. You can see there's a little green light come on at the end, or off. Or you can hit auto. If you do that, the car will take control of the fan speed, which is just here. And it will take control of the direction of the air as well. You can override that by readjusting the fan speed yourself. We have a heated driver's seat and a heated passenger seat up on here as well. Below that, we have a 12-volt charging socket, electric folding mirrors just here, and then the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Glenbourne's. We'd love to hear from you soon.